Okay, we're gonna wash. I'll teach you how to clean the chain today. As you can see, the chain is pretty dirty on this bike. First step, very easy. We fill up the degreaser to the top of B-twin. If you have this brand one, just fill up to the top of this B-twin line. Just have to put it in, push the chain into the brush. Take note of the chain, it's very, very dirty. All you have to do is turn. If possible, turn it gently. Okay, because the chain cleaner is a bit new, so the brush is a bit hard. You will soften up after a while. Okay, now look at the chain. All the dirt has already dropped to the bottom of the container. That's it. See, it's all black in color. So if your bike is a bit dirtier than usual, what I would normally do is I'll use the brush. Like for example, brush places. You know, just give it a small brush. Voila, they look quite clean. So this is done. When water reacts with the degreaser, come and take a closer look here. Look at the degreaser over here. When you spray water over it, it will just drop off. Take a look. Okay. You try not to get water into your bottom bracket and the hub. And also the pulley here, but a bit of it is fine lah. Just don't spray water directly into it. That's it. You see now, if you rub your fingers over it, it's all clean. Done. Okay, and then we just dry it. See, there is no oil at all. So give it a small wipe, and then we'll loop the bike after this. Okay, can I have the chain? Okay, dry already. So look for the link. There will be a, if you look at the chain, there will be a part where they join the chain together. Okay, over here. So this is where you want to start looping. So what you do is just go through it quickly like that. Later you come back here. Don't over loop your chain. One small layer is in front because this is what I'm going to do next. Okay, we are back to this link here. So we already actually loop the whole round. Use your finger, it's fine. Just let the loop spread to one another. One over all the chain link. Okay, just do this so you don't rust. That's it. Look at how clean it is. And its chain is looped. That's it, less than 5 minutes. Okay, done.